where do we go next, right? How does this all come together? The great space race, mission to Mars. More booked, undelivered aircraft than in history of commercial air flight. Well, we're gonna do it. How are we gonna do it? There's a $6 trillion backlog. Who's gonna do that? We're gonna do that. How are we gonna do that? That is the question I get asked all the time. I have an answer for you. It is the factory of the future. There's 3 characteristics when it comes to the factory of the future. One is working in a virtual mindset, and it must be a nimble, aggressive, and very forward-thinking mindset. Systems talking together, connecting that to your customers, ensuring real-time availability of data, real-time communication with humans and robots.